Okay, so in this video, we're just going to show you how to attach the handle to the Griddle Guard hardcover lid. And the first thing I do is actually I lay it out on a table upside down like this. Then I start getting the hardware ready. This is how the hardware looks. And these are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need an 11mm wrench of some sort and an Allen key. Next, get the hardware started by hand. And be sure to put the washers on the inside of the cover. And once you have the handle attached to your cover, this is how it should look. And now you're ready to rock and roll. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us and check out our website at griddleguard.com.